Welcome to Grammar.Galore. This is Habibullah, an ESL instructor in GLA. Viewers, today's topic of discussion is conjunctions and its types. Now, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions in English grammar and in parts of speech. Conjunctions are also called as linkers. They are considered as connectors. Why? Because they link ideas, they connect ideas, they combine words, clauses, phrases in a sentence. They combine ideas in a sentence and then they construct speech and paragraphs. So we call them idea connectors or linkers in English grammar. Conjunctions are those words which are used to connect two words, two phrases, two clauses, and two sentences or ideas in English speech or in English grammar. Conjunctions ترون के वायु conjunctions हाँ अल्फाज दिया अल्फाज मौजूदा शगल व लफ्ज़ व phrases ना मुकम्मल जुमले व clauses व जुमले sentences यूज़ कई the speech construct कई. So conjunctions are acting as a connector, as a linker. It combines ideas into sentences and then paragraphs, such as and, but, for, or, yet, so, and there are many other conjunctions which act as linker. How conjunctions combines two words, like when we say players and the coach. So here, and is a conjunction. It combines two words. Word player is a word, coach is a word. So both of them are combined in conjunction and. So it combines two words. In the class or in the hall. In the class is one phrase. In the hall is another phrase. Both of them are combined together with or. Or is a conjunction. So conjunction combines phrases. Conjunction combines words. Conjunction also combines two clauses, like I wouldn't do that if I were you. So I wouldn't do that is one clause. If I were you is another clause. Both of them are combined together with if. If is a conjunction. It combines two clauses. I wouldn't do that is one clause. If I were you is another clause. So two clauses are combined together with conjunction if. A clause is a group of related words which usually gives complete meaning. Sometimes a clause gives complete meaning, like an independent clause. I wouldn't do that. And sometimes a clause wouldn't give a complete meaning, like a dependent clause, if I were you. So both an independent clause and a dependent clause is combined together with conjunction if. Next is Ahmad teaches English, but his brother is a mechanic. So two sentences. Ahmad teaches English is one sentence. His brother is a mechanic is another sentence. Both of them are these are two opposite sentences. So both of these opposite sentences are combined together with but. But is a conjunction. So if you see in all examples, conjunctions act as a connector. Connector in words, connector in phrases, connector in clauses, and connector in sentences. Next is types of conjunctions. Types of conjunctions, there are four types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, paired conjunctions, and compound conjunctions. So we'll be discussing all these types in detail one by one. Coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to combine two independent clauses. Two independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions are conjunctions which are independent clauses using. Independent clauses are those clauses which always gives complete meaning. They can stand alone in a sentence and they do not need the help of any other clause. Coordinated conjunctions instead of independent clauses use independent clauses हमेशा complete meaning work है. Or we will also say that coordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which combines two similar clauses. Hala conjunctions each other sham clauses use such as coordinating conjunctions can simply be made from friend boys. Like if is used for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are all coordinating conjunctions. They are used to combine two independent clauses or two similar clauses. For example, we say that Ahmad works at ELA. Ahmad works at ELA, and Rehan works at skill. So if we see there are two independent classes. Ahmad works at ELA, one independent class which gives complete meaning. Rehan works at skill. So Rehan works at skill is another independent class. Both independent classes are combined together with coordinating conjunction and. Coordinating conjunction and. It combines two similar classes, two independent classes. Another example for that could be that she was sick. She was sick, for she went to the hospital. Here for acts or for means give the meaning of so. It means for that reason, for that purpose, or because. It gives the meaning of because. It's conjunction. Now, if we see we have she was sick, it's an independent class, and she went to the hospital is another independent class. Both independent classes are combined together with coordinating conjunction for. So for is used to combine two similar classes. Coordinating conjunctions are used to combine two independent classes, two similar classes. Fan voice, this is all about coordinating conjunctions. By one word you can extract all coordinating conjunctions. This is all about coordinating conjunctions. The next one is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to combine an independent class with a dependent class. An independent class with an independent class, or a dependent class with an independent class. Subordinating conjunctions are conjunctions which are your independent class, dependent class or dependent class, independent class, vice versa. Or subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to combine two different classes. Other conjunctions which involve different classes combined, such as we say if, whether, unless, though, although, even though, because, etc. These are all subordinating conjunctions. They are used to combine a dependent class with an independent class, or an independent class with a dependent class. For example, I say that they didn't come to class because it was raining. They didn't come to class because it was raining. So here they didn't come to class is an independent class. It gives complete meaning. Because it was raining is a dependent class. It does not give complete meaning. So an independent class is combined together with a dependent class with because is a subordinating conjunction. Another example, for example, let's say that he bought a car though he was poor. So here he bought a car is an independent class, and though he was poor is a dependent class. Now an independent class is combined together with a dependent class. We can also replace their positions. You can simply say that though he was poor, he bought a car. When we use subordinating conjunction at the beginning of a sentence, so a comma is used to separate the two classes. A comma is used to separate the two classes, like though he was poor, he bought a car. So here, subordinating conjunction comes at the beginning, a comma is used in the middle to separate the two classes. This is all about subordinating conjunctions. Next is paired conjunctions. Paired conjunctions are also called as correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. Paired conjunctions or correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which comes in pairs in English speeches. So, like, or simply you can say that the combination of subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunction makes paired conjunctions. أتكلم subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, they are paired conjunctions really. Yeah, this way we should the combination of coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions makes paired conjunctions. Chikalam subordinating conjunctions or coordinating conjunctions, you say the paired conjunctions really. English speech, paired conjunctions or coordinating conjunctions have their special usages. All of them have their own usages, like such as we have and both and . So both is a subordinating conjunction and is a coordinating conjunction. Another is either or neither nor . Not only but also . So these are paired conjunctions. Each one of them have their own usages. Like both and is a paired conjunction. It combines two positive sentences. How, for example, I will say that Rehan studies grammar. Ikram or Inam studies grammar. So we can combine these two statements, positive statements, with both and . For example, I can simply say that both Rehan and Inam study grammar. So I just combine these two positive sentences with both and . That's the function of a paired conjunction. It combines two positive sentences, both and . Either or is used to combine two positive sentences when we talk about choices. Like either Rehan should come to the class or Inam should come to the class. It means one of them. Choice. Neither is used to combine two negative sentences where we mean none of them. Neither Rehan nor Inam should come to the class. It means none of them should come to the class. Not only but also means, it also gives the meaning of both of them. Like both, not only Rehan but also Inam should come to the class. So each paired conjunction is used for a separate purpose. They have their own usages in English speech or in English grammar. These are paired conjunctions which are made from subordinating conjunction and coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. So that's all about paired conjunctions. Next is compound conjunctions, the last one. Compound conjunctions are also called as conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs. So compound conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to connect ideas in a sentence or paragraphs. Compound conjunctions are conjunctions which have ideas or जुमलों की combine करी गए paragraph की combine करी or compound conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to take us from one idea to another idea. Like it transfers us from one idea to another idea. Such as we say that in addition, moreover, furthermore, consequently, therefore, etc. These are all compound conjunctions. They are used to take us from one idea to another idea, or they are used to combine ideas in a sentence or paragraph. For example, I say that the shower has many big parts. Full stop. In addition, it has a BRT system. So if you see, Peshawar has many big parts, it's one idea, and in addition it has a BRT system. So this in addition is a compound conjunction. It takes us from one idea to another idea. It means both ideas are about one subject, that is Peshawar. So when we try to further describe Peshawar, we will use compound conjunctions to move from one idea to another idea to describe the subject, to further describe the subject. These compound conjunctions are used for several purposes, like they are used for comparison and contrast. For example, he was poor, however he got a car. So however is used to show comparison and contrast. We can also use them for cause and effect relationship. We can also use compound conjunctions for summary, in order to introduce the summary of ideas. We also use to conclude ideas through compound conjunctions. Viewers, these are all about the types of conjunctions. Wish you all best of luck. Stay tuned for further videos and thanks for watching.